welcome to the English lesson. I'm really sorry about the delay. I've been pressing all sorts of buttons here and getting it wrong, and then I actually started the lesson and then forgot to live stream, and then my cat got involved with everything, so it's been a bit of a disaster here. So anyway, hopefully we're all here now, so if we can have a big thumbs up in the chat if you can hear me and you can see me, so a nice big thumbs up so we can get started with the lesson. And I'll be explaining what we're doing for the next 6 weeks, and how you're going to get tested as well at the end of this. So let's have some thumbs up in the live chat if we can, please. And instead of potatoes here, potatoes there. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, we're going to get straight on with the lesson. I can see actually that some people have already left, probably because it took so long. So if we could just put in the chat that people need to log back in. Let's have a look. Mingo just says he can't get into English. But if we can ask people to log back in let's have a look. Log into YouTube. I'll just put that in the chat too. Lesson has started. Okay. Yeah, we got some more people online now. Cool. Right. As I apologize for starting this off late, but let's get straight to it, and I'll tell you what we're going to be doing for the next 6 weeks. So this is the last thing. It's called bookwork, and we're going to be looking at reading. Now, we looked at how to read. Remember, we did The Wizard of Oz. We didn't just read the book. We looked about what it was about and what people were feeling, and what people were, how they looked at the characters. And we're really going to be focusing on another book now, but this is going to be a book that you choose. So this is not just reading a book. We're also going to be looking at how to write a book and the best ways of making sure you got a really cool book. It's super important that I'm going to get you to choose a new book. You're going to read that book, and you're going to be tested on that book at the end of the year. For English, you already hear it. The test is going to be an oral exam again. So again, the same as we did for Yellow Brick Road, and you're going to be doing that. So just to summarize, English until the summer vacation, we're going to be looking at what makes an absolutely amazing book. You're going to read a book of your choice, and I'm going to tell you how to choose that book. And we're going to look at what makes a good book review, and we're going to upload that to Goodreads account. And then you're going to be doing your book presentations, which is your final exam. It's going to be oral. I don't know if that's going to be in school. I don't know if that's going to be online, but we will be doing that. And that would be your final grade for English for this year. And I really want you to ace that. Yeah. Don't forget, if you do have any questions, just put them in the live chat. And I can see that my son is sneakily logged in here. So hi Robin, hope you're fine. If you got any questions, yeah, it's my son Alistair. But if you got any questions, put them here online. Okay, so to start off with, what you'll find in Magister is I've put this booklet, and I'd like you to download this booklet, upload it to your OneDrive, and then share it with me. It says with your teacher, that's me, and allow editing so I can actually put it, so I can put any comments in there and give you some feedback, some positive feedback, or maybe some negative feedback if you're doing stupid stuff. But download that and then share it with me in your OneDrive. Yeah. Now, and we're going to be working on this booklet for the next 6 weeks. So keep on doing that. Alistair, if you say potato one more time, I'll come around to your house and I'll start throwing potatoes at your window. Good idea? Okay. So what's the best book for me? Now, some people pick up a book and think, oh, it's really difficult. I'm going to learn lots of English. But the best way to do a book is to do something that's not too difficult. So here's some guidelines I've got for choosing a book. Now, first of all, obviously, try and choose something that you're gonna um, find interesting. So if you like football, try and find a book about football. But if you like adventure books, try and write stuff, or try and find a book that's about adventure. Maybe somebody else recommended it to you, or you saw a film and you liked it. It's always good. Just make sure that you can that it interests you. Now, also before you actually take a book out of a library or download one, just read a couple of pages, and if it's too difficult, put it back. So a good kind of like thing for that is if there's no more than 3 to 5 words on a page that you don't know. If there's more than that, it's probably too difficult. Now, what I'm going to ask you to do is download this. PowerPoint's also available on Magister, so download it, click on this link, and you're going to do a reading test. You're going to have to say whether you understand the word or not, and you're going to have to read some text, and then at the end, once you've done that, it will give you a recommendation. So I want you to do that today and send me via email what the recommendation is. So here I just did an example, level 1, and you can then see which books are suitable for you. Yeah, so look at the recommended levels and see which books are for you. Now this one is really for the other year 1 classes because they don't have a Goodreads account yet. But if you don't have one, I'm not sure if Emerson's got one, but get one, make a Goodreads account, and then make sure all your books that you've read are up to date in that Goodreads account, because I'll be asking you to print that out at the end of this bookworm unit. So your task for today is download this booklet from Magister, upload it to your OneDrive, and then share it with your teacher. That's me. Do the language test on the Oxford University Press, and then set up a Goodreads account. And then we're done for today. And next lesson, we're going to be choosing a book, and we'll let you know some more information about that. Now, okay, got some questions coming in from Zoe. What's your email so I can share the document? You don't need my email. You just type in Tony in when you share it in Office in OneDrive. As long as you do it on school OneDrive, then you'll see my name straight away. Where can I find the link? In Magister. And I'm not sure what link you mean, but if you mean the link for this PowerPoint, it's in Magister. If you find the link for that Oxford University Press, it's in the PowerPoint on Magister. Yeah. So if we've got any more questions, I think we're kind of done for today. So I'd like you to do all these things. I will be checking that you've shared your document with me by the end of the grant. So the fake Alistair is saying, I love Mr. Grant. Yes, you probably do. It's very easy, very easy. Okay, that's it for today. If you've got any questions, you can still stick them on the live link, but you can also Skype me and I'll try and answer that. Yeah. Otherwise, good luck. Do your homework, and I'll see you guys next lesson. That will be Friday. Goodbye.